Hey everybody.
So we're gonna make, what are we making today? Porridge
Bread.
It's called oat bread. You can call it whatever you want to call it. So I'm just gonna show you some of the ingredients that we have. Bicarbonate soda. There's nothing there. Bicarbonate soda. And I have this fruit porridge. So there's oats, all different types of fruits in there. All the good stuffs are in there. And we're gonna try this yummy dairy-free yogurt. That's what we're gonna use. I'm gonna use some. Oh my goodness! we're gonna use a coconut oil. So we're gonna just go straight into
pan with flour. What's it called?
Flour.
What's this?
That's the pan.
I thought pan was flour. But anyway, we got a pan with
that's a
gluten-free
flour. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Whatever flour. That's supposed to be there. Anywho, so we're gonna start with this yummy. Okay, come sit there. So we're gonna use this yummy, delicious.
She's licking it.
Yogurt. I'm licking the cover. Oh, you can really taste them. So I'm just gonna pour the whole.
Oh, it looks like glue.
Like glue?
Yeah, like for slime, glue.
Okay, so this is the first time I'm using this type of yogurt. But listen, you can use any type of yogurt. This recipe, actually, it's my friend from work who gave me this recipe. So I said, I'm going to try it. Because she always has this bread. And I'm like, don't worry, my friend, I won't mention your name. Because you might watch. So, and I'm going to put 2 cups. Show me.
So
2 cups. So you use the tin. Whatever tin you're using, you just use that. So just make it full. It's full of fruits. 1.
And then 2.
And then the second one.
With those extra things in
with the extra raisins and
Look
stuff.
at the raisins.
Yeah. Wait, Shikata, it's just too close. 2 now. And a minute. I'm just gonna.
This is good lighting. This is good lighting.
Is it? Okay. And then it's 1.5 bicarbonate of soda. So I'll just put bicarbonate of soda there. Oh, half. Let me put half. That's the half. I almost put 2. And I'm just gonna put.
Look at how healthy this looks. Like
I'm gonna put a pinch of salt, just to level it up. Pinch of salt. That's it. And we're gonna mix it.
it looks like very dry with all the
with all the what?
all the oats and stuff.
I know, isn't it? But the oil, see, you can use whatever oil you want. And okay, there you go.
Well, it actually looks nice now.
Yeah, it's really simple, simple. So now we're gonna use a tablespoon of coconut oil. I don't know whether I should have warmed it because.
Warm coconut oil?
Yeah. Wait.
Just put it in and then it'll melt.
You think so? Yeah.
Yeah, it'll melt because that's coconut oil.
Okay.
If you mix it up.
Hope it melts. Yeah. So you can put a tablespoon. That's a tablespoon. That's the one I use.
Or you should actually use a tablespoon.
Yeah, but this one is like a real tablespoon. So your coconut oil, you need to melt in here because we need you to be everywhere. We need it to melt. So I think it should be kind of coconut. If you don't like coconut, just try the Apro one or just the normal yogurt, those Greek
look, it's
yogurts.
actually getting thick.
Yeah. I'm just gonna mix it more like this because I need that coconut oil to be mixed. I think it's done. It takes a bit long to cook. I think it takes about maybe 45 minutes.
I thought you were going to say 45 hours. I was
No.
What?
No, 45 minutes. So I think the coconut oil has melted.
Yeah, it's melted in there. Oh, yeah. It would have taken you so long.
Voila!
It doesn't want to be eaten or cooked.
Now.
I can't make it like
Alright, so we're just gonna press it down. Press down, shake it together, run it all, give, and it shall come back.
It's going like so flat, like not like people
Yeah.
like, you know.
So we're gonna just make it look good.
Oh,
And
is it
we're
gonna
gonna-
rise?
It doesn't really
Actually,
rise.
I don't
does it,
understand. How
Tina?
do you make it? Like, how do you
Yeah.
like? You know, you didn't use like any of the like normal things you'd use in the bread or something. Like you use
Yeah.
yogurt.
Yeah, just yogurt. That's it. So let's put like a cross so that this bread should be awesome. Look at awesome bread.
Imagine your awesome bread on it.
So guys, I am gonna come back to you, and when it's finished, I'm just putting it in the oven. I'm gonna come back to you to show you how it looks. Alrighty, bye.